Many countries have versions of meatballs. I'm going to show you a Chinese recipe. Chinese meatballs in sweet and sour sauce. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut 2 onions into small pieces. Chop 4 garlic cloves. Cut 20 grams of cilantro in 2 sections. Grate a piece of ginger to get 2 teaspoons. Season 500 grams of ground pork with half of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1 egg. Mix all together. Let's sit while preparing the sauce. Put in a bowl 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of chili paste, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 15 centiliters of broth, and some ground pepper. Combine all together. Dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Spread some oil over your hands to easily make the meatballs. When the oil reaches 170 degrees, put the meatballs. Turn down to medium heat. Let them fry for 8 minutes. Stir them from time to time for even cooking. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the other half of the grated ginger and the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time. When they start to brown, add the onion. Stir from time to time for 30 seconds. Add the sauce. Stir and leave for 1 minute. Put the diluted starch. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the meatballs and stir for 15 seconds. Finally, put the cilantro. Stir and cut the fine. This recipe is rich. It contains many elements and techniques which contribute to its success. The abundance of aromatics, cooking and frying, then sauté in sweet and sour sauce, marinated pork. At the end, the dish is irresistible. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.